Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Mahid. I am a GIS and data analyst from Bangladesh. Welcome back to my another brand new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can combine data from multiple cells to a single cell in Microsoft Excel. In the screen, you can see there are 4 different fields named street, suburbs, state and postal code. We have to combine data from these 4 different fields to these 5th fields name full address. In order to do that, we have to use a function named concatenate. So let's do that. So first of all, we have to put an equal sign here and we have to type concatenate. So here it is. We have to select the first field that we are to use in this function, and that is our street name. So we are doing that and we have to put comma, then after the street name we have to put space, as we know that Excel cannot read space specifically, so we have to put quotation sign between these 2 fields. And the second one is suburb and another comma. We have to put another quotation sign and space, another comma. We have to use the street name, another comma, and last of all we have to use the postal code for extracting the full address and bracket. See that we have extracted the data from 4 different fields to a single field. Now if you want to extract data from all the fields to this field, we have to drag the lower right corner button to the end to our data set. See, this was too easy, isn't it? So in this way you can combine data from 4 different fields or multiple different fields to a single field using concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. I hope that you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please click on the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you can get more videos or more tutorials like this. Thank you all.